Ever get a small taste of something that you like chocolate cake or your mother-in-law's half-moon cookies? Or maybe a small bit of heat in your garage, and now you want more? Well, I did, and I want more heat in my garage.
If you've been watching my channel, a little while back I did an installation video of the HS1000 WX Wi-Fi connected heater from HeatStorm. It's a great little heater, increase the temperature of my garage about 5 to 10 degrees on any given cold day. You know what, I got a little taste of a heated garage and I really like that idea. I want more heat in my garage. Connected with the folks from HeatStorm, they suggested this unit right here, which is the Garage Heater 6000 DC. It's also Wi-Fi connected. I'm going to get it unboxed, get it installed, and show you what I think about it. By the way, stick around to the end. That other heater, the HS1000 WX Wi-Fi connected heater from HeatStorm, one person out there is going to be happy with what I'm doing with it. All right, so here's the unboxing. See what we got. Standard installation manual, some screws, and the remote. That's pretty common from the other unit, from what I saw. Got the installation bracket, so you can set it on a swivel and pivot. And then the unit itself. A little bit heavier than the other. This one's probably about 30 pounds or so. Maybe a little bit more. Pretty solid. The only thing I'm not seeing that I kind of think I knew ahead of time was it doesn't come with a power cable. It's kind of like your dryer. When you go to connect that up, you're going to have to go out and buy a power cable for it. I have to do installation of a 220, 240 volt connection so I can connect it to the outlet in my garage. We'll get that done and get this installed, and we'll show you what it does. All right, one of the first things you want to do is get a sub panel right here. Let's make it happen. To get rolling, I've already turned out the breaker and the main panel, so we're going to open this up and get to work. Okay, just to check. Okay, no electricity flowing. Like I said, I'm running a 220, 240 volt line up to the ceiling where the outlet's going to be for the heater. I'm using 10 gauge armor clad wire. It's 10 by 3, so I have a neutral wire that you're going to need for the heater itself. Okay, now we're going to go flip the power for the main breaker, see what happens. As I said, it's going to need to have a power cable installed. It's a standard 4-prong, in this case I'm using a 4-prong dryer power cable. Might be kind of hard to see, but obviously the ground and then the hots go to this side. The neutral is just bare and capped off, it looks like. All right, as you can see, I got it plugged in. I got power, so that's good. It hasn't tripped a breaker, so I at least know I got it semi-wired right at this point. Got to get it connected to Wi-Fi, and we'll see what it does. So with installing it to, or connecting it to the Wi-Fi, I've already got the app downloaded from when I installed the HS1000 unit, so it's going to be a little bit quicker. I'll do a screen recording and show you what it looks like. As I remember when I did it last time, it's pretty simple. I come from an IT background, and this is actually probably one of the easier ones to get connected. Got to find the app. There it is. Device, heater. Looking for the Wi-Fi button, which you push and hold for 5 seconds, and then it starts flashing. You move through the app. Pretty simple. It's actually blowing out a good amount of heat right now. Heat storm garage heater shows up. It's connected. Showing 70 degrees right now. All right, my friends, thanks for sticking with me to watch the video. That's the installation of the HS6000 GC Wi-Fi connected garage heater from HeatStorm. Went up pretty quick and easy, about 30 minutes to get the power cord connected to the back, get the ceiling mount mounted, bracket mounted to that, get everything plugged in, and the Wi-Fi connected and up and running. A little while back, I mentioned this earlier, the HS1000, I did the installation on that. Go ahead and watch that video. The link's up above, and I'll tell you more about that reason why you should watch that video here in a second. The only complaints I would have about the unit at this point would be that it's definitely louder fan noise-wise than the HS1000 that's a wall-mounted unit, but that's to be expected. It's a bigger unit, it's going to put out more heat, so it needs a bigger fan. I'm not upset about that at all. I can listen to a little bit of fan noise. I'd much rather be warm in the process. The reason I mentioned the HS1000 is as soon as I get 100 comments in this video, I'm going to give that unit to somebody that's randomly selected out of those 100 comments. It has to be somebody from the continental U.S. I can't afford to ship outside the U.S. Sorry about that. So comment on this video. Let me know what you think of the HS1000. Let me know what you think of the HS6000 that I just installed and you're watching the video now. Or let me know what you're using to heat your garage. Or let me know what you want to tell me about anything. It doesn't really matter. Just be kind and appropriate when you're doing it. I'd appreciate it if folks do that. Other than that, like, subscribe, and comment to the video. And remember, your couch sucks. It's time to get up, get on, get outside, and do something epic that you enjoy. See you.